ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। हर हर महादेव। Shravan month Mahatmya, chapter 18. Rules for fasting on Asha Dashmi. Sanat Kumar said, O Lord, O Parvati Nath, O one who bestows grace on his devotees, O ocean of mercy, now please tell me the significance of Dashmi Tithi. God said, O Sanat Kumar, start this fast from the Dashmi Tithi of Shukla Paksha in Shravan month. Then observe this fast on the Dashmi Tithi of Shukla Paksha in every month. In this way, observe this excellent fast for 12 months and then perform its Udyapan on the Dashmi Tithi of Shukla Paksha in Shravan month. A prince who desires the kingdom, a farmer for good agriculture, a Vaishya son for business, a pregnant woman for getting a son, a common man for the success of dharma, arth, kam, a girl who desires a good groom, a Brahmin who wishes to perform a yajna, a patient for health, and a wife for the return of her husband after he has been abroad for a long time. All of them and other people should also observe this Dashmi fast. If someone is suffering due to any reason, then that person should observe this fast for its relief. On the 10th day of the Shukla Paksha in Shravan, after taking a bath and worshipping the deity in a proper manner, one should draw the female forms of Adi Devta with weapons in all the 10 directions in the courtyard of the house with flowers, sandalwood or barley flour, and worship them in all the 10 directions in the evening. Offering ghee mixed in Naivedya, one should offer them separate lamps. Whatever fruits are available at that time should also be offered. After this, one should pray for the success of one's work in this way. O Dig Devta, may my hopes be fulfilled and my wishes be fulfilled. May there always be welfare with your blessings. After worshipping in this manner, one should give dakshina to the Brahmin. O great sage, in this sequence, one should always observe the fast of Dashmi Tithi in every month, and after observing it for 1 year, one should perform Udyapan. Now the method of worship is told. Make the 10 directions with gold or silver or flour. After that, after taking bath and adorning oneself with clothes and ornaments, one should worship the 10 gods with devotion along with friends and relatives. Install the gods in the courtyard of the house in sequence with these mantras. The owner of this house and Indra, who is saluted by gods and demons, lives near you. Salutations to you, the god named Andri. O Ashe, due to your marriage with Agni, you are called Agniyi. You are the embodiment of the brightness and are a superpower. Hence, you are the one who grants me a boon. Taking shelter in you, Dharmaraj punishes all people. Therefore, you are known as Sanyamini. O Yamai, you are the one who fulfills my best wishes. The god of death, holding a sword in his hand, takes shelter in you. Therefore, you are free from troubles. Please fulfill my hope. O Varuni, Varun Dev, the basis of all the worlds and the lord of water creatures, resides in you. Therefore, you should be ready to complete my work and religion. You are established with Vayu Dev, the original form of the world. Therefore, you are a Vayavya. O Vayavya, you provide peace to my house always. You are seated with Kuber, the Lord of Wealth. Hence, you are famous in this world by the name of Uttara. May you be speechless by granting our wishes soon. O Ashani, you are adorned with Lord of the world, Lord Shiva. O Shubhe, O Goddess, fulfill my desires. Salutations to you, salutations. You are seated on all the worlds, are always auspicious, and are surrounded by sages like Shanak, etc. May you always protect me. May you always protect me. I have worshipped all the constellations, planets, stars, and the star mothers, and the ghosts and spirits, and Vinayak, who removes obstacles with devotion with a devoted mind. May they all always be ready to fulfill my wishes. In the lower worlds, you are served by snakes and mongooses. Hence, may you be pleased with me along with the snake wives. One should worship you with flowers, incense, etc. with these mantras and offer clothes, ornaments, and fruits. After this, one should spend the night staying awake with musical instruments, auspicious activities like song and dancing with the best woman. After spending that night happily with devotion by offering kumkum, rice, betel leaves, donations, respect, etc. The idols should be worshipped in the morning and then handed over to a Brahmin. After observing the fast in this manner, one should pray for forgiveness and bow down before taking food along with friends and relatives. O dear one, the person who observes the Dashmi fast respectfully in this manner gets all the desired fruits. Women should especially observe this eternal fast because among the human race, women are more devoted to faith and desire. O great sage, I have told you about this fast which gives wealth, fame, increases age, and fulfills all the desires. No other fast in the three worlds is like this. O best of the sons of Brahma, those people who wish for desired results and always worship the 10 directions on the 10th day, all the big desires of their hearts are fulfilled by those directions. What is the point in saying more about it? O Sanat Kumar, this fast gives salvation. There should be no doubt about it. There is no fast like this fast and there will never be. Thus, in the Sri Skanda Puran, in the conversation between Ishwar Sanat Kumar and Ishwar Sanat Kumar in the significance of the Shravan month, the 18th chapter called Asha Dashmi Vrat Katha is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.